Welcome to Unify the Startup Showcase, where we will organize a dynamic pitch competition and fundraiser to empower entrepreneurs. Our first goal with the Startup Showcase is to organize a startup community. We want to connect our entrepreneurs to our local and global startup ecosystem. To do this, we will need to find and invite important figures that can inform our ideas and help us grow our startup community. Seasoned entrepreneurs like Chief Executive Officers, Chief Technology Officers, Chief Marketing Officers, nonprofit leaders, and of course, investors can provide a variety of feedback, mentorship, training, support to our startup community. These important figures can not only inform our ideas, but help us grow a fund for our Startup Showcase. To get started, we will need to organize a group of entrepreneurs interested in startup community organizing and entrepreneurial ecosystem building. Each entrepreneur will be charged with the task to find local and global startup figures to join our startup community to help inform our startup ideas. We can find local startup communities by performing a quick Google search. We also can use social media platforms like LinkedIn to find important figures to invite to our startup community. Remember, startup communities require a long-term commitment and consistent engagement, fresh ideas, and events that engage. Good luck to growing your startup community.